So today we're gonna replace the seat covers, not the whole seat, but the seat covers. This is actually in bad shape, needs to be replaced. Yep, see that? Burned. So no other option but to change it. So I got a leather one as a replacement for this, but the leather is also in fair condition. Not really good, but I think I could probably fix it. So the first thing to do is remove these covers here. Need to remove all the covers here, also on that side, and then at the back too, to expose the bolt that holds the seat. So I got it out, just like snaps out. Then same thing on the other side. So the rear ones are a little different. They are actually like a large cover, so you need to slide it out, slide the seat forward to gain access to this. Yep. So that's out. Then you got the bolt down here and down here too. So once the seat is out, you could tilt it, and then you take out this cable. So I think it goes to the airbag and then the seat belt tensioners. Yeah, I need to compress this clip. And then there's another one here. Yep. I need to take out these two. So I got the cable brackets out. Then there's two connector. So one here, the another one here, then the main airbag one. So let me take out this one. That has like 4 ones. Let's see this other one. That one has 3 or 6. Yeah, that's 6. So you won't actually get confused with this. So the airbag one, this is not straightforward to disconnect. So you have to like pull this one, push it a little bit, and then it will. So we're going to take out the strip here, the back, and yep. Yeah, this clips here at the back. Take out this one too. I think for this one there's like a plastic trim that keeps it in place. Is out. So the leather one has zippers in it. This one has just a strip. So I think this strip is just to keep the trim tight. And then once you got it out, it's easy to pull these out now. Yep. I'm going to remove this trim, this plastic trim. So I got the cover out. And then there's like a bolt in here. I think it's like a 2 10mm bolts. And once those are out, we need to use a Phillips to take out this trim. So there's like a pin in here that holds the trim. So there's also another push pin in here. we need to take out. So I got the trim out, and you have to take out the handle here. Just pull it out, and then those are the clips that hold it. Yeah, this one goes to I think this one over here, and these are the clips, plastic clips. So we're gonna do the other side. This one is easy. Yep. Oh, and it's a large one, probably size 14. Yep. So this is size 14. I'm gonna take out the headrest first. Oh, we're gonna take out this handle after removing the headrest. After removing the cover, I'm gonna use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove this handle. So I got the handle out. I'm gonna place it here. So since we are replacing the cover, we'll just rip this off. We'll just rip this off so that we should have easy access to the headrest bracket. You can only like take it out from over here. So let me cut this off. Remove these two headrest brackets. You need to access down here, and if you look at those two tabs, you need to press them like this, and then push them back. And then yeah, it will go up. Yeah, you cannot actually pull them out from here. It needs to be done here down here. So we'll try the other one. Look at this. The airbag is actually held in by these two brackets. The black one and then the white one. So these two, yep. And then this one, let's see how far it goes. Yeah. And this one. So I think we could just like loosen this one out. Yep. I think this one too. Yeah. So somehow it's better to take the upper portion, the whole assembly, half of it, out. So there are two number 14 bolts here. Now we got the upper assembly out, and basically the foam just separates. Yep. And yeah. So I could just like check the connector down there, and you should be able to separate it. So this one has clips on this one. I think you can pick it up by hand. Okay. Yeah. You could just to pry too. We're gonna pry this airbag connector so that we could separate the two and work with the smaller piece, and then each piece separately. And the springs out. There are two more clips that hold it, that hold the cloth. Now I got all the clips in the perimeter. The last one is this clip over here. And this one is out. So basically you remove this tie here, cable tie, disconnect the ABS, I mean the airbag connector, and basically it goes through here. So the only way you could do that is to pretty much disconnect it. I'm recording this so that I could see where it's routed, how it's routed. Yep. So once this is out, it's hard one hand that thing. Throw these away, and this one. Yep. So there you go. The bare bones assembly, and this is my replacement. They're not that looking great, but I could actually clean these up. They are leather. It's shiny a little bit, but it has seen better days. So I'm gonna put them in, and we have the airbags there. The little ones actually comes with a zipper. So if you unzip this, so you unzip it, you sort of have full access to the back. And this is the yep, these are the ones for the airbag. And yeah, this usually comes with the cover. So yep, the white one goes in the front. So I got the airbag now in place with the correct bracket. Yeah, it should be like this, and the one down there too. So I need to swap those brackets from the original one because the automatic ones or the leather ones are different. So here's the final product. I have it like dyed a little bit with sand mica spray paint. I just like dab the paint in a cloth and then put some thinner on it and then rub it in so that all those dark spots will, or the parts that are worn out, will have color again. It's not that great looking, but it does the job. It doesn't look so shabby at all. So we have an issue with the armrest. The armrest on the manual seats have these holes in here, and this have like a stud that will prevent you from that will actually hold the position, so either up or normal position. For the automatic ones, the leather, this is how they design it. There's no holes. So Yep, it's a problem. Even the bolts are different. I think the bolts are the same size, but this one seems to be, yep, there's like a pointed one here. So even if you put it there, I don't think it will fit perfectly. The one that I put in there, if you put your arms around it, will actually go down. So I think what I'm going to do is basically create holes in here so that it can be moved in different position, or maybe I just like set it up in one position. It seems to be difficult to drill this one. The metal is I think it's thick. There's like 2 layers of metal in here. So it turns out that the passenger seats, I mean the rear or the second row seats actually have manual armrests, so you could actually use that. So I have to put this back in. Same thing with the other one. And then these are actually armrests for the for the rear seats for the second row, and they would just like fit in like this. Yep. I'm going to tighten it up, and then it should work. Yep, this is how it should look like. It's made of plastic. Actually, the original one is made of metal, supposed to be.